back to Sneakers Unboxing with Moy, and today I have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Royal Toes, so let's get to it. I'm excited because I took an L on these on the sneakers app, so your boy saved some money up finally to get these shoes. So I know I'm a little late, but it don't hurt to make a video. Of course, the Supreme, the bottom of the box. Whoa, that's a lot of wrapping paper. It is currently 11:30 p.m. Everyone in my house is already asleep, so I'm gonna have to be a little quiet. But here's the Nike logo on top, of course, all over the box as well. And then we have the sizing, so let's see this bad boy. Ooh. And I bought these off of Go. So it says quality control, everything, accessories, box condition, structure, color, material, stitching, sole, label, tag. So everything is verified by Go. These things are just fresh. Oh my gosh. I was too desperate to wait till tomorrow to open these, so I had to see these right now. Oh, they smell so good. Ooh. Got a little Go sticker. Thank you, Go. And then we got the extra set of laces right here, and I'm pretty sure that's it in the box. Here we have the beautiful shoes. You don't want to see the front, you want to see the side, because that's what it's all about, the Nike swoosh. First things first, these are my favorite pair of shoes. Like, the Air Jordan 1 will always be my all-time favorite. That's a fact. I just had to copy these, you know. Okay, so out of the ordinary, you know, Air Jordan 1s, usually they always have like a, call it, it has like a polyester label. Now it's like a leather on the tongue, on the top, where it says the Nike swoosh logo. So that's something I guess they're switching up, because I had the pine green ones as well, and then they had the same exact thing. So Air Jordan Wings logo is white, of course. Not every pair has that, and I don't want to mess this baby girl up. So it's really nice. The leather's nice. I feel like it's a good quality. Depending on the colorway, the price goes up or it goes down. But this is a really nice colorway. I thought that it would go for like around 4, maybe up to 500, but right now they're like 320, 330 around there, depending on like where you're getting them from, either like StockX or Go. So I had to do my research. I was looking for these for like 2 weeks, making sure I was getting the right price and not overpaying and not underpaying, to make sure I don't get a fake pair off of like OfferUp or something. But also I don't want to pay too much on Go, because then, like, you know, there should be a balance. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe, and I'm gonna get you an on feet, and then I will be lacing these up as well, because I'm for sure gonna keep these. Of course, I paid resale, so I will be keeping these. But let's get to the lacing, and then I'll take you to the on feet, and then I'll see you at the end of the video. wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like. It helps me get to a bigger audience, and I'll cop the new 700 Yeezys, and if not, then we'll have to wait till the next pair so I can upload another video, because every time I get a pair, it's either because I pay resale or I either buy them retail. So this is the very first pair I paid resale for. So hope you guys enjoyed it once again, and I'll catch you in the next one.